Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Projects. Today we try to see what is my approach learning the DSA and solving the lead code within a limited time. Here I am not going to teach you any one of the concepts or any one of the coding, but what is my approach when it is comes to me and facing the DSA interview round. The first one, we try to see the DSA. The syllabus will be around the arrays, strings, linked list, stacks, queues, hash map or hashing, recursion, trees, graphs, dynamic programming. So these 10 topic is the essence of an DSA. Coming on to the problem solving plan or a procedure and a strategy, the first one is the concept. We must understand the concepts thoroughly. The second one will be the programming. Based on the language, based on the IDE, you can choose solving the problem. There is no constraint on this one. The third most important one will be the reading and understanding the problem is the most efficient one or a required one. Approach or an optimization, start with what you know and improving by using the optimization, because in the lead code we try to expect the optimization code. Problem solving, definitely you will be bombarding here and there, so be having the problem solving mindset. Take time to digest and improve it. Please do not give up. And finally, the sixth one will be the use case mapping, where this concept or this approach or these data structures can be used. We have to map it such a way that it will be easy to remember and take apart from the DSA into the projects. Now, if you see, the most common DSA tags will be these: array, strings, hash table, dynamic programming, math, sorting, greedy, DFS and BFS, binary search, two-pointer, sliding window, stack, queue, binary search tree, graph, heap, prefix sum, recursion and backtracing and design. So these are the tags. Now let us move into the lead code. You can see it on this screen, where top interview 150 questions it has been there. Here you can show the tags. It will try to show. It is says that it's an array. It's a two-pointer and the sorting. In order to solve these things, they required these tags. Are this problem lying under these three categories? And here you can see the category will be the easy, medium and you can hard. These are the three categories it has been there. So these are all the things which is based on arrays and string. If you can scroll down, you can see these are all the two pointers, and if you can scroll down, you can see the sliding window, matrix, hash map, and you can see the intervals and stack and linked list, and you can see binary tree general. And here if we can see binary tree BFS, see graph general and graph BFS, you can see TRIE backtracking, and you can see divide and conquer, and this is algorithm, this is binary search, and you can see the heap, and this is a bit manipulation, math, and you can see one dimensional 1D DP and multi-dimensional DP. So these are the categories, these are the problems they have given under the top interview 150. Again, they has been categorized in the difficulty level easy, medium and hard. Now you can solve the problem here itself, or you can create your own Jupyter or whatever the programming ID and you can use and solve it. So this is the one we try to see how I am solving the problems. Here I am not going to explain concept. Here I am not going to explain the programming, but my approach, how I am coming on to the lead code and solving and how I am moving, that's part only I will try to show. Now it is the time one implement the remove the element. It is not the duplicate, but it is the remove the element under the top interview 150 27th one. We have given an array that are all nums and the integer as a value, and we try to remove all the occurrence of the value inside from the nums, and we try to keep the nums in place only, and that numbers inside the array not equal to the value. So means here if you can come, here is the nums is an array 3 2 2 3 and the value is equal to 3. We try to remove these two, we try to get it as in a 2 only. Now if we can come over here and the value is 2, you can cut down the 2's, okay, here. And what is the length of that array? We try to return it. If we can come over here and you can see the topic, it's an array and 2 pointers, it has been there. So now I am moving on to the here onto the editor. I have select the Python 3, but as per your interest, you can select the C++, Java, Python, JavaScript, C. But I am comfortable with the Python, so I have selected. I have given as a while true, so it's always as in a true. If value in nums, then remove it. If it's already the value inside the nums it has there, then you can remove it. The value inside the num, it is giving as an O of n. It is a list. So how many times that value will be there, that many O of n's will be there. In this case, you can see the value here, it is 2 times it is there. 2 into O of n will be there. How many times that value is there, that many times it will try to do it. And I have given the print nums length and returning the nums. It is the time to execute the code and see it. Now you can see the runtime beats 100% analyze. So this is the where you can try to. But how far we can do with the 2 pointers, that also we try to see it. But this is the one of the method. Don't try to run for a perfect solution. The way you done, it's a fine, but can you implement by using the 2 pointers or any other approach is also very important. Don't try to stick with one approach, then you will become as a stubborn during the DSA rounds of an interview, or any person is asking, can you do better, can you have any other approach, that time will be very difficult. So I try to give it with as a second approach too. You can see it on the screen. This is second approach. We are using the for loop index, and that will be going on to the end of the list. And if that index value is not equal to the given value, then we are taking the value and shuffling to this one, and we are incrementing the k is equal to k plus 1 and printing the numbers and returning the k. So this is also a second approach. So because we have to think differently, different approaches. Okay, now it is a time to submit. Okay, so like this it has been. The first one we have done with as a one method. In this one we have seen with as a for loop method. And this way you have to solve the same problem by using the different approaches, so that the problem solving skills will be improved day in and day out. Not only just watching the videos from the YouTube, you have to practice it. Not only knowing the concept, you have to know the programming. Not only knowing the programming, you have to apply it. This is the essence. If you like this video, for more interesting updates, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. In the next video, we try to see with another problem. Thank you very much. Bye.